In the bustling landscape of project management software, two names frequently pop up in discussions about team collaboration and task organization: Basecamp and Monday.com. Both promise to streamline your work, enhance communication, and keep projects on track. But when it comes to deciding which one is better, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. As a project management expert, I can tell you that the better tool is always the one that best fits your specific team, project, and organizational needs. Let's dive into a detailed comparison, keeping in mind that simplicity and clarity are key for anyone looking to understand these tools from an educational perspective. Basecamp, the simplicity champion. Basecamp has a long-standing reputation for its minimalist and straightforward approach to project management. Its philosophy centers on providing just the essential tools to get work done, without overwhelming users with complex features or endless customization options. Key strengths of Basecamp: simplicity and ease of use. This is Basecamp's biggest selling point. Its interface is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for new users to get started quickly, often without extensive training. This is a huge advantage for teams that value a low learning curve and want to hit the ground running. Centralized communication. Basecamp excels at consolidating all project-related communication in one place. It offers message boards for broader discussions, a campfire for real-time chat, and automatic check-ins for regular progress updates. This helps to reduce scattered emails and reliance on multiple communication channels, fostering a clear record of decisions and discussions. Structured project organization. Basecamp structures work around projects, each with its own dedicated space for to-do lists, files, schedules, and discussions. This organized approach helps teams keep everything related to a specific project neatly contained and easily accessible. Flat rate pricing. Basecamp offers a flat monthly fee for unlimited users, which can be highly cost-effective for growing teams or organizations with a large number of collaborators. This predictable pricing model simplifies budgeting and avoids per-user costs that can quickly escalate. Focus on asynchronous communication. Basecamp is particularly well-suited for remote or distributed teams that rely heavily on asynchronous communication. Its structured message boards and check-ins encourage thoughtful responses rather than immediate replies, promoting a less interruptive work environment. Where Basecamp might fall short: limited customization. While its simplicity is a strength, it can also be a limitation. Basecamp offers fewer customization options compared to Monday.com, which might not suit teams with highly specific or complex workflows. Basic task management. Basecamp's to-do lists are effective for tracking tasks, but they lack advanced features like task dependencies, where one task cannot start until another is finished, advanced reporting, or built-in time tracking. For projects requiring intricate sequencing or detailed performance metrics, this could be a drawback. Fewer visualizations. Basecamp uses hill charts to visualize project progress, which is a unique and simplified approach. However, it doesn't offer traditional Gantt charts, Kanban boards, or other popular visual project management views that many teams find essential for understanding timelines and workflows at a glance. Monday.com, the flexible work OS. Monday.com takes a different approach, positioning itself as a work OS operating system that provides a highly visual and customizable platform for managing diverse types of work, not just traditional projects. Its strength lies in its adaptability and its ability to cater to a wide range of needs. Key strengths of Monday.com: high customization and flexibility. Monday.com is incredibly flexible. You can build custom boards, tailor workflows to your exact specifications, and choose from a variety of column types to track any kind of information. This adaptability makes it suitable for various departments: marketing, sales, HR, etc., and complex projects. Visual project tracking. Monday.com excels in its visual representation of work. It offers multiple views, including Kanban boards, Gantt charts, calendar views, and more. These visual tools make it easy to see project progress, identify bottlenecks, and understand dependencies. Powerful automation. Monday.com boasts robust automation capabilities. You can set up recipes to automate repetitive tasks, such as assigning a task when its status changes, sending notifications, or updating dates. This can significantly boost efficiency and reduce manual effort. Extensive integrations. Monday.com integrates with a wide array of other popular business tools, allowing you to centralize your work and data. This reduces the need to switch between different applications and creates a more connected work environment. Rich reporting and dashboards. Monday.com offers powerful dashboarding and reporting features, allowing you to create custom dashboards to track key metrics, visualize team workload, and gain insights into project performance. This is invaluable for data-driven decision-making, where Monday.com might fall short. Steeper learning curve. While designed to be intuitive, the sheer number of features and customization options in Monday.com can sometimes lead to a steeper learning curve, especially for new users. It might require more time to set up and optimize for specific workflows. Potential for complexity. The high level of customization can, at times, lead to overcomplication if not managed carefully. Teams might spend too much time configuring boards rather than focusing on the work itself. Per-user pricing. Monday.com typically operates on a per-user pricing model, which can become more expensive as your team grows, especially for larger organizations.